How to get chromas in Blooket. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to NetNimble. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get chromas in Blooket. So before we begin, if you guys are new to NetNimble, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first step is open up your Blooket and log in into your account. So right here you can see I'm on the market right now, but what we'll first do is head over to another website and search for iBlooket. So head over to iBlooket, you can go to iblooket.com as well and open the website up. So what we're interested in here is heading over to the simulator. So head over to this simulator/calculator. And after you're there, you'll then need to choose your token amount. So here you can see your token amount and you can type that in here. Since my account is just created and it's new, I don't have much token. I don't have any at all, but head over here and just enter out your token. So let's say that you have around 25,500 and then you can select a pack. Let me choose the autumn pack and then tap on calculate. And there you can see the golden pumpkin. So this is your chroma right here. You can see how much percentage of chance you have of getting your chroma. So there you can see with 25,000 tokens, you have almost 100% chance to get all of the others. But for the chroma, you have only 61%. So you can play around with this value right here. So let's say that you have around 30,000. So if you calculate now, you will still have that much percentage. So let's try with something like 50,000 tokens. Tap on calculate, and as you can see, your chances increase. So all you have to do is increase your tokens and then buy your packs. So start buying your packs after you have enough tokens and after you get the 100% chance rate here, you can then be guaranteed of getting your chroma. And that's how you get your that's how you get a chroma in your Blooket. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.